guys, welcome back to another video. It's Irene, back at it again with your boy Augusto's YouTube channel. Let's see, since it's another day in quarantine, today, Austin's gonna teach me how to drive.
No.
No?
Yeah, sadly.
So hopefully, I don't crash the car. But if I do, well...
Time to get a new one.
Time to get a new one. Time to get a new Mustang.
Oh, shit.
Nah, I'm kidding. We're broke.
So you guys heard it here first, guys. I'm basically going to teach Irene how to drive today because I came to Davis and it's really, really empty on the streets right now. And what better way to spend another quarantine day and not teach Irene how to drive? Because your girl does not even have her license yet. So we gotta get her on track, get that license, and have her skirt on any car that she has. And like, you know what I'm saying? So, but before that, I came over here and it's super late, and I woke up from a nap and I got kind of hungry. So we're gonna go drive over to Woodland, and hopefully we could find a burger spot because I'm craving burgers for some reason. I don't know why. A fat man's gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? But no, so with all that stupidity out the way, we're gonna go drive over there to Woodland, like I said, find burgers if we can, and talk to you guys more about what's gonna happen on the video. And of course, I'm gonna take you with us when we're practicing on the back roads. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. And if you guys are people that have been watching me for a good minute now, hey there, how's it going again? It's your boy Augusto. Real name's Austin. So before I go talk loud and whatnot, stay tuned within the video and maybe you can hear yourself get your shout out. So comment down below if you want to have a shout out next video. And yeah, like I said, stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next clip. Peace.
Before you guys start roasting me, because I know I'm turning 20 this year and I still don't got my license. I got a permit though, but not my license.
Psych.
I know. I should have had my license by the time I was like 18, but for me, since I go to Davis and since I commute daily to school, like I don't need it. I don't need a car. I don't need my license right now, but it's at the point where I'm just like, it would be nice to drive.
Slacking.
Anyways, hopefully nothing bad happens to the car. Who knows? But I just really hope I could at least get some practice, and so after quarantine, I could get my license. But hopefully, God, please have Austin not scream at me for the little slightest bit mistakes I make, because I swear, if I'm like 2 feet away from the curb, he's all like, the rims, the hubcaps. I'm just like,
damn, straight roasting my hamster.
I'm just like, yo, fine, I got this. But hopefully, please have some confidence in me. Hopefully, everything turns out good, and catch you on the next. I feel so bloated right now, but we just finished eating. We went to the Habit to go grab something to munch, but I'm pretty small, but I can eat. But at this point, I'm just like, ugh.
She had the smallest burger. I don't know what she's talking about. She had soda though. She broke the freaking diet.
You know what? God will forgive me. Moving on. We're gonna head back to Davis. We're gonna attempt to drive while there's still semi-sun out, but it's getting pretty cloudy, so we'll see what happens.
If you guys made it this far in this video, in order for me to be able to get another car, because she's probably gonna bump this to a curve, to a tree or whatever the heck, give this video a like, please. I'm begging you, please give this video a like. And just stay tuned, because I'll be taking over the camera in just a little bit, because we're going to the back roads and we're gonna have bloated Irene practice driving. So Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Let's get this started.
Hi.
So I'm just gonna be talking behind the camera, and we'll see how this is gonna go. Yeah, so she has currently the whole entire seat all the way up, and here we go, just like that. Let's hope let's not die. And so far so good. As far as I could tell, the only thing that she's having a really hard time doing is making her turns, because she doesn't know how to not spill the milk and release slowly.
I feel like I did it bad.
You did it too fast.
Too fast? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do this right. No, let's go straight. Let's go straight.
Focus, Irene.
You see
Look.
how bad he gets?
Look how she's in the center of everything. Like, she's looking around like she's a pro.
Oh, this is the street we were in last time.
Here we go. Crap, I hate this. Watch this, guys.
Oh, fudge. This was the street I hated.
Watch.
Ooh, too slow.
See how close she gets to these cars?
I wasn't even that close. Anyone good?
I don't know, you tell me, driver. Let's see how she's gonna do this.
That was better.
Because it's a wide turn. Now, I'm not hating on her, guys. I'm not really hating on her. It's just, I really need her to get her license. This is exactly... And she has her sunglasses on. There's not even no sun.
No, there's a stop sign.
Okay, guys. Well, while I try to teach her how to do turns, I'll catch you guys on the next clip. Alrighty, guys. So, while Irene's over here trying to drive, I'm just going to let her do her thing. Practice. I'm not even going to try and like mentor her too much because she's going to get anxious. I'm not even going to teach her how to do the 3-point turns yet. I'm just going to have her get more comfortable on going on the residential street. She hasn't even driven on the freeway. She hasn't even experienced any lights. So, yeah, we're just going to practice her turns and hopefully she gets to improve more. I'm trying to compel myself over here and not like lose my craps. So, yeah, she has a heavy foot, guys. Such a heavy foot. But, you know what? I guess it's the whole process of learning. So, yeah, so she's trying to talk to the pedestrians through the tinted windows.
You're right.
So, I don't know what's going to happen.
So, I think I ran over like 3 people already, but like no biggie, right? I think as long as like no one catches me, I think I'm straight chilling.
Alrighty, guys, so this is going to be Irene's first time on the freeway. So,
terrified.
Let's see how this goes. The freeway should be right around here somewhere.
Right there.
Yeah. So you're gonna turn your signals, slow down, slow down, slow. See? Well, there goes your first thing. So, stop, yep, then go. Yeah, just focus on the road and stay in your lane. Look, I'm as nervous as you are right now, so be confident over there. I'm feeding off your vibe. So pick up the speed. Stay in your lane. Start putting your signal lights on. There you go. Merge. And then turn it off. And pick up that speed. Stay at 65. Yeah. Stay in the lane. Look, you're starting to drift this way. See, for you guys that don't know how to drive a car yet, here in California or United States in general, because I know most of my demographic here are from the Philippines, we go miles per hour, not kilometers per hour. So roughly our 60 miles per hour is right around 110 kilometers per hour. So it's pretty quick. But thank God, you know, the freeway right now is not that packed. So it's a great time for her to practice the higher speeds and everything like that. But we're about to exit here, so you know what to do.
So put my blinker on?
Yes, right now. Ease off the gas. Press the brake. There you go. Turn off your signals. Yep. There you go. You're going too slow. People's going to hit you from the back if you do that. If you guys do notice that the video is kind of smooth when I'm trying to transition or like move left and right, it's only because I'm using my gimbal right now. But yeah, so far that was her first time on the freeway. So we're gonna end up going back to her apartment and we will talk to her more about what she thought. And yeah, so what do you think?
Bro, I wanted to cry.
Why?
That's scary. It honestly, first experience like driving in the freeway, I was like, my nerves were up, even though like there was like one person behind me.
Yeah, you got beeped at too.
I got beeped at like trying to merge into the freeway because I was like trying to figure out like where was the entrance, and I'm just oh, I can't say that. But I don't know, I feel like probably like once I get a hang of the streets a little bit more instead of neighborhoods, freeways will probably be like a no biggie for me. You were on my side today.
Alright, with all that being said, she did her best. She did it, and I'm proud of her. But there's a lot more of learning that needs to be done, of course. But, you know, it's a process, and we all got to trust the process. I mean, we all started somewhere. So shout out to that person that beeped at her, because now she's more aware of, like, how to pick up the speed and when to pick up the speed. And so, yeah. I guess this is where we're going to end the video, because she's going to FaceTime her parents before I head out. But yeah, so I do want to give a shout out to Angel John from the Philippines and Scarlett, my cousin, Sai Sai. This is for you. Para po nimo Bok, kay ingon ka na gusto ka na magpa shout out, so shout out nimo Bok. But yeah, so if you guys want to get a shout out and you're from the Philippines and you actually do watch my videos, comment down below or hit me up on Facebook if you got me on Facebook. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna, while she's trying to call her parents, I'm just gonna end it up over here. So then again, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, stay tuned for more content, and thank goodness we didn't die. As I want to end this video, like always, remember always to stay positive and be awesome. Peace.